best Squarespace plugins in 2025. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you some of the best plugins and extensions that you can get for your Squarespace website. These extensions or plugins will facilitate a lot of tasks if you're going to need some third-party apps or platforms integrated within the Squarespace website of yours, and we are going to name some of them. The first thing that you need to do is to head over to squarespace.com. Then you're going to sign in into your account. After that, you're going to head over the account dashboard. Once you have head to the account dashboard or you got the access, you need to select the website that you want to add the integrations or the plugins, name them whatever you want. They are going to have the same nomination. So we're going to have this, for example, website. We're going to click on go to website, wait for the editor to load up, and then we're going to find our settings. So this is our website. It is fully loaded. Now, what are we going to do basically is to head over our settings because this is where the actions are going to be beginning. So here we have the settings. We're going to head over the left side of the screen. As you can see, these are going to be the pages or tabs that we're going to find on settings. Select a third party tools. Click on it and we have the connected accounts and extensions. If you're going to be interested in the connected accounts, you're going to click on here, connect one of the, as you can see, social media account like Google Search Console, we have Facebook, we have, as you can see, Foursquare Swarm, and etc. These are going to help you to set up some data or more data into the Squarespace platform of yours. So we are going to share them with the social media that will help the social media. If you're going to launch a campaign or ad campaign in the future, will help it a lot to recognize the traffic and also the leads. Now back to the third party tools, we have extensions, and here we have the plugins or the extensions. It is going to be the same thing. So, as you can see, we have a marketplace for the extensions. We have here some of them, and we can go ahead and click on or view all and see all of the extensions that are available in here. So first, let's start with the specific ones like here. So we are going to mention every category or the 5 categories that we have, and we are going to tell you about one or two of the best um, app or extension that you're going to have. So for the sales and marketing, I usually use MailChimp. MailChimp is going to be a plugin or an integration that will help you to have some management about the email and SMS campaigns that you're going to create. For those who doesn't know what is a MailChimp, it is going to be a platform that will help you create ads or email campaigns ads into the audience that you're going to create, of course, and it is going to be very, very particular, precise, and also successful. So, if you are going to be interested in the email marketing and SMS campaigns, go ahead and use MailChimp. The second app that I have used is going to be Wiglot Translate. So Wiglot Translate is going to make your website multilingual. So you're going to add multiple languages into your website, and that is going to help a lot to make it, let's say, here well known abroad. For example, foreign languages is going to have a translation bar, and also it is going to support multiple languages by having the translations, correcting the translations, and nomination of things into your website. And here we have it. Now for the third one, I have used it before, and it is going to be SEO Space. The SEO Space is going to help you to improve your ranking and also attract target the customers. Of course, it is going to help you with the keywords, installation of descriptions, and also the nomination of the titles and implementation of the keywords into the specific website of yours. These are going to be helping you a lot to rank higher than the competitors if you're going to have or need some traffic into your website. That was for the sales and marketings. Now for the shipping and fulfillment, we're going to head over here and we're going to have multiple, as you can see here, apps. So we can find from these apps, some of them are going to be very well known, like EasyShip. EasyShip is going to be an all-in-one app that will help you to set up the shipping across all around the world. You're going to have the carriers installed and also the fees and the costs that will be right into your store. So this app is going to be very simple to use, very effective, and also you're going to set up the return management of your page or your products if you're going to have a e-commerce solution into your website. It is going to help you for the fulfillment, tracking pages, orders, and etc. Now heading over to the inventory and products, we're going to click on this tab and we're going to find, as you can see here, some results. I'm going to begin with the custom merch by Printful and also Printify. These two are going to be a blast for the COD or POD. I mean by that, not the COD, but or the print on demand. These are going to be two free apps that you can choose or run if you're going to have the POD and also drop shipping into your store. Basically, like Printify, like Printful, they are going to have some merch. They are going to have some logos implemented for some illustrations, not only merch, by, I mean by merch, not only clothing, but also accessories, mugs, apparels, whatever you have. Also, bracelets. These are going to be kind of jewelries, or not the real jewelry, but you're going to have it in here. So you can go ahead and install one of the two apps, or both of them are going to be very different. You can launch your business into the two platforms. It's going to be very easy to open an account on them. They are going to be free to use. They are going only to have a commission from your sales, and this is going to be very easy. If you're going to connect them, click on connect in one of the apps, and you're going to get them right away. Now, for the finance, we're going to move on this particular tab. We're going to find only 7 apps or plugins that we can install. We are going to have TaxJar, and it is going to be very well known for tax management. I'm going not to mention here a lot of apps, but I'm going to give you two of the best apps that you're going to find. If you're going to type any of the two apps names into Google, you're going to find your way right away. We have the QuickBooks Online Connector, and we have the Xerox by Amaka. So both of these plugins are going to be well known for the accounting, and not only the simple accounting, but the automated accounting. So you can go ahead and use one of the two platforms to, or the apps, as you can see, to integrate to your store, and they are going to do the accounting option or the accounting feature into your account or your store. So I highly recommend for you to test these two on the finance, QuickBooks, and Xerox. So I think that QuickBooks is going to run well into the platform because we have a whole integration from the provider of the app or the platform. So you're going to see everything in here. You're going to have the multiple configuration option to synchronize the Squarespace orders into the QuickBooks Online, and you're going to find everything. So it is going to have, for example, the Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Shopify, Squarespace, WooCommerce stores integrated into the app, and then you are going to have it just right there. So the key features are in here are going to be the bridge the gap between Squarespace and your books, turn sales orders into invoices or received, easily track Squarespace discounts and refunds. So it is going to have the accounting set up and also handled. Now, moving on to another category, which is going to be the last category, which is going to be the business tools. You're going to have here, as you can see, not a lot of plugins or extensions. We have some of them, and the well known of them is going to be No One. So, No One is going to help you build, manage, and deploy your company strategies with their AI native business building platform. So, it is going to help you a lot to manage and build your own business within the Squarespace website of yours. Also, they have the formations, and it is going to be a little bit expensive if you're going to have business running out and you need to manage it and also get the right path to make it successful, you can use formation. And if you do not want to have this budget or you don't want to implement a lot of fees, you can go ahead and head over to Novo, which is going to be a free app or a free, as you can see, app which is going to be related to banking, and it is going to be your business partner for the finance into or banking into your specific right there website. So that was pretty much it for the extensions. You can go ahead and implement other platforms such as, for example, the widgets implementation like Elfsight. You can use Elfsight as an extension, or let's say here a plugin implementer like reviews, because we do not have the access to the reviews into our Squarespace platform. We can go ahead and have the reviews that will help us to grow or gain the trust of the clients that we are going to implement into uh, here the let's say here the website. So it is going to be very simple to implement it. You need to choose a let's say here a widget. Then we are going to click on it, and after that, it is going to give you a code. For example, let's say here the Google reviews. So one of their bestsellers is going to be the Google reviews, and people will trust Google reviews. Trust me for that. If you're going to have your business included into Google reviews, you can go ahead and have the reviews into your account by just creating a widget, installing that widget as a code, and then you're going to copy and paste that code into the implementation of the website of yours. You're going to choose the page, then we are going to click on edit, add a block, for example, between one of the sections or a empty section, and then you're going to add a block. After that, you're going to select embed or code, and you're going only to double tap in here, click on code snippet, for example, embed data, put your code in here, just like that, and you're going to find it right away. So you're going to find it in here. This is the Google, as you can see here, specific uh, rating and also reviews. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next